We're in Washington Township, Michigan, Macomb County right now, doing a French drain, about 300 feet of pipe. Got another semi-stone on its way. We plywood into the properties. We like to leave them as we found them. Because we're moving so much dirt and bringing in so much stone, there's a lot of traffic. There's several hundred trips in and out. We got our mini excavator feeding our 2 ditch witch operators and a power buggy. We ran parallel pipes. We had to go 16 inches deep. You can see they're already filling up with water. Saturated subsoils. Trenches are doing their job. They're working great. They're going to get the stone and pipe and fabric in later. Right here is a marsh area. Where do you take the water? Been through the whole marsh area, did a bunch of scouting. Shot a bunch of topals. The low point is the culvert over here. This is our benchmark. We can't go any lower than that. Now we're going to clean that up, and that'll need to be maintained periodically. But what we're going to do is we're going to set up our drain to where it runs right to a big hole full of coarse wash rock. The pipe is going to end at this basin. I drilled a bunch of 1/2-inch holes in this basin. This will be buried in the stone, wrapped with fabric. I don't want any of this debris in this marsh area to contaminate our drain. Basically, we just plywood it in the marsh. Makes it a lot easier to get the equipment in, to get the dirt out. For all your yard water solutions, give us a call.